In this video, we delve into the fascinating principles of vibration and resonance that permeate our lives, drawing on the profound teachings of Hermes Trismegistus. His insights emphasize that everything in the universe is in a constant state of vibration, and understanding this can transform our experiences. By recognizing that our thoughts and emotions emit specific frequencies, we can begin to see how they shape our reality. Positive thoughts and feelings resonate at higher frequencies, attracting similar energies and experiences, while negative emotions can lower our vibrational state, leading to undesirable outcomes. This understanding invites us to take an active role in our lives by consciously aligning our thoughts and emotions with the frequencies we wish to attract. By doing so, we can create a harmonious existence that reflects our true desires. Join us as we explore these concepts further, providing practical insights on how to harness the power of vibration and resonance to enhance your life and manifest your dreams. The concept of vibration is fundamental to understanding our universe, as everything is in a state of constant motion. The law of vibration states that all matter, energy, and even thoughts are in perpetual movement, each possessing its own unique vibrational frequency. This principle impacts our reality significantly, as it suggests that our experiences are shaped by the vibrations we emit and attract. Everything we perceive, from the smallest particle to the grandest celestial body, resonates at a specific frequency, influencing how we interact with the world around us. For instance, our emotions and thoughts are not just abstract concepts. They carry vibrations that can affect our physical experiences. When we cultivate positive thoughts, we elevate our vibrational frequency, attracting similar energies and experiences into our lives. Conversely, negative thoughts can lower our vibration, leading to undesirable outcomes. By understanding this connection between our thoughts and physical reality, we can consciously choose to align ourselves with higher frequencies, ultimately transforming our experiences and enhancing our lives. The law of resonance posits that similar vibrations attract each other, profoundly influencing our experiences. This principle can be observed in both positive and negative emotional states. For example, when someone radiates joy and optimism, they often attract uplifting experiences and supportive relationships. Conversely, a person consumed by negativity may find themselves surrounded by conflict and dissatisfaction, as their low vibrational state resonates with similar energies. The concept of like attracts like is evident in everyday situations. Consider a poker player on a winning streak. Their confidence and excitement create a positive vibration that not only enhances their performance, but also attracts favorable outcomes at the table. This analogy illustrates how our emotional states can shape our reality. When we align ourselves with positive vibrations, we invite abundance and success into our lives. Conversely, if we dwell in negativity, we may inadvertently draw in challenges and setbacks. By consciously cultivating positive emotions and thoughts, we can harness the law of resonance to create a more fulfilling and harmonious existence. Navigating through the currents of positive and negative emotional energies can be likened to choosing our flow within rivers of energy. Each river represents a different emotional state, and we have the power to select which one we wish to navigate. When we find ourselves in the turbulent waters of negative emotions, it's crucial to acknowledge and address these feelings rather than suppress them. Awareness is the first step toward transformation. By recognizing our emotional state, we can begin to understand its impact on our lives. To shift toward a more positive emotional state, we can implement practical actions such as practicing mindfulness, engaging in physical activity, or expressing gratitude. These actions help redirect our energy flow, allowing us to move from the stagnant waters of negativity to the vibrant streams of positivity. Additionally, surrounding ourselves with uplifting people and environments can further enhance our emotional well-being. By consciously choosing our flow, we empower ourselves to navigate life's challenges with resilience and grace, ultimately fostering a more fulfilling emotional experience. Recognizing and processing emotions is crucial for our overall well-being, as negative emotions often serve as vital signals for change. When we experience feelings like anger, sadness, or frustration, they can indicate underlying issues that need our attention. Instead of ignoring or suppressing these emotions, it's essential to acknowledge them, as they can guide us toward necessary transformations in our lives. Forgiveness plays a significant role in this process. By letting go of past grievances, we free ourselves from emotional burdens that can hinder our growth. Emotional release, whether through journaling, talking with a trusted friend, or engaging in creative expression, allows us to process our feelings constructively. Embracing our emotions rather than pushing them aside fosters a deeper understanding of ourselves and our needs. This acceptance can lead to healing and personal development, empowering us to navigate life's challenges with greater resilience. By recognizing the significance of our emotional landscape, we can cultivate a healthier relationship with ourselves and create a more fulfilling life experience. Chakras are energy centers within our bodies that play a crucial role in the flow of energy and the manifestation of our desires. Among these, the heart chakra stands out as a powerful center for attracting experiences. This chakra, located at the center of the chest, governs our capacity for love, compassion, and connection. When the heart chakra is open and balanced, it allows us to emit a high vibrational frequency, which attracts positive experiences and relationships into our lives. The connection between our thoughts, emotions, and vibrational frequencies is essential. Our mental state influences the energy we project. Positive thoughts and emotions elevate our vibrational frequency, while negative ones can lower it, affecting what we attract. By harmonizing the heart and mind, we create a powerful synergy that enhances our manifestation abilities. When our thoughts align with the loving energy of the heart, we send a clear and compelling signal to the universe, paving the way for successful manifestation. Embracing this balance can lead to a more fulfilling and abundant life. Consciously creating your desired reality begins with the vital practice of aligning your thoughts and emotions with your aspirations. When your mindset reflects your true desires, you send a powerful signal to the universe, attracting the experiences you seek. One effective manifestation tool is mental visualization. By vividly imagining your desired outcomes, you engage your mind and emotions in a way that reinforces your intentions. Picture yourself achieving your goals, feeling the emotions associated with that success, and immersing yourself in the experience. This mental imagery not only clarifies your desires, but also strengthens your belief in their possibility. Additionally, emotional guidance plays a crucial role in navigating toward your goals. Pay attention to how you feel as you pursue your aspirations. Positive emotions indicate alignment with your desires, while negative feelings may signal a need for adjustment. By tuning into your emotional state, you can make necessary shifts to stay on course. Embrace this process of conscious creation and watch as your reality transforms in alignment with your true intentions and heartfelt desires. While manifesting desires and maintaining a positive mindset is empowering, it's essential to acknowledge that negative experiences can still arise, even with the best intentions. Life is filled with challenges that may test our resolve and commitment to our goals. During these times, it's crucial to recognize any incongruences between your thoughts and desires. If you find yourself feeling doubt or fear, take a moment to assess whether your beliefs align with what you truly want. This awareness can help you identify and address any limiting beliefs that may be hindering your progress. To maintain vibrational harmony amidst challenges, consider implementing strategies such as mindfulness practices, which can ground you in the present moment and help you manage stress. Additionally, cultivating a gratitude practice can shift your focus from negativity to appreciation, raising your vibrational frequency. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals and engaging in uplifting activities can also reinforce your positive mindset. By proactively addressing challenges and staying aligned with your desires, you can navigate obstacles with resilience and continue on your path to manifestation. In summary, we've explored the profound impact of vibration and resonance in shaping our experiences and realities. Understanding that everything in the universe is in constant motion allows us to recognize how our thoughts and emotions influence the vibrational frequencies we emit. By aligning our inner states with our desires, we can attract positive experiences and manifest our goals more effectively. I encourage you to take action by consciously assessing your thoughts and emotions, ensuring they resonate with what you truly want in life. Remember, the journey of manifestation requires both awareness and intention. If you found this discussion valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more content that explores these transformative concepts further. Let's continue this journey together, unlocking the power of vibration and resonance to create the lives we desire. Thank you for being part of this community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.